Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Civil Engineering Education. Today in this short video I would like to speak few words about this channel, why I have created this channel, what is the purpose and how this channel is going to be helpful for you. So before speaking about that, I would like to introduce myself. I am Kiran Kumar. I have completed my masters and working as an assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering and also a GHMC licensed civil engineer. So that is a short introduction about me. So coming back to our topic, why I have created this channel, how it is going to be helpful for you. So this channel is mainly created for the students and all the aspirants of civil engineering, the mainly students who are pursuing recent passed out candidates and the candidates who are appearing for the interviews and also fresher engineers who are working in sites. So mainly this is the reason, to help and guide them I have created this channel. So mainly the content of this channel, what I am going to share in this channel. So coming to the content, here the videos related to civil engineering, purely civil engineering, that is based on theoretical and practical videos. So coming to the theoretical videos, I am going to share the lecture videos based on the syllabus as per JNTU, OU as well as the State Board of Technical Education and Training, AP and TS. So I'll prepare the video lectures on the subjects and I'll upload here in this platform so that it will be more helpful for the students to recall their subject, whoever are pursuing right now and also the passed out students who are preparing for the backlogs. So this will be more helpful for the students. Next one is practical videos. I am going to share the practical videos based on these different criteria like site engineering, like construction stages, step-by-step construction procedure and laboratory tests on different materials like building materials testings and also bar bending schedules, not only theoretical one and also practical videos which how they are preparing in the sites. Next one is roles and responsibilities of engineers, supervisors, etc. So based on this content and also I'll add some more content on this. So this will be more helpful for students and also the aspirants of civil engineering. So if you feel this channel is more and more helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and also click all notification bell icon so that it will be very helpful for you. So thanks for watching.